Hello, lovely therapists. Hope you're having a great day. Dr. Brooklyn Storm here with another quick video for you. So I want to share how I'm creating visuals and graphics for social media, but also for handouts and resources that I give to clients in my private practice using free AI software. The name of the software is Napkin. So you can just do a Google for Napkin AI. It will bring up a list of options for you. Just click on it and then create an account just using your email address. So what I'd like to do now is just show you how it works. I'm just going to give you a super simple demonstration here. So let's imagine that you want to create, Napkin creates visuals, right? So let's imagine that you want to create a visual for how to book an appointment or something like that. So we're just going to call it how to book an appointment with ABC Psychology, right? So you're going to say, step 1, you might say, click the book now button. Step 2, choose your therapist. Step 3, choose your preferred date and time. Step 4, book it, right? Let's just say that's your process. Then you can see when I hover over here, I get this little blue highlight and a little lightning bolt. If I click on this, it's going to start, you can see all these blue fuzzy dots here. It's going to start generating for us some visuals. So you can edit these to some extent using the free version of the software. If you really love the software and you're going to be making lots of visuals, which you can, because maybe you're going to be putting these visuals on your Google My Business profile, which you should be posting to on a weekly basis, by the way. You might put them there. You could put them into Instagram posts for your social media once a week. You could include them in emails to your clients, handouts, resources, put them in your slides for any presentations or workshops that you're doing, things like that. So you might choose to upgrade to the Pro, but for now we're just using the free. So let me just show you some of the different ones. So we've got here, it's got like a click book now button, choose your therapist, choose a date and time, confirm booking. So that's really good. I would probably change the picture and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. There's this one here, this one here. This one's probably a really good one, makes it look nice and easy. You can see how you could put something like that on your website, right? So if you've got your website, you could download this visual after you've changed the font and you've changed the colors and things like that. But you could download the visual and then upload it to the header, if you like, of your bookings page on your website. And then it's got like a really clear, nice visual, you know. So just sometimes you just have to like click through them and find one that's going to work for you. As I said, you can change colors and fonts, but it is quite limited on the free version. You can see all the different options here for graphs, right, and visuals. Now I'm just flicking through these quite quickly. You will see some that you like, you'll see a lot that you don't. Doesn't matter, just get a feel for what it generates. They're usually quite different. Now when you get to the bottom, this is what I wanted to show you. So when you get to the bottom here, you can go generate more and it will come up with even some more ideas for you, right? So it's come up with that, which is pretty easy. I probably prefer horizontal to vertical. But again, you could use that down the side of your bookings page, maybe on your website. Something like this. Do you know what I mean? But I think that probably just makes it look complicated. So I'm just going to go back up to the top here and choose this one because I think this one could work best. I'm just going to go here. Now when I click on it, you can see it comes up with blue around here. So I can click on the text and I can change, right? I can make it Arial. So I'll just make these Arial. Now again, because you're using the free version, it is limited, but you can make changes. So I would just stick with Arial. You can change this picture here. So see how this says sub for subscribe? I want it to be book. So they've got like, they've got talk, they've got save, things like that. So I'm probably just going to do this open button there. They've got choose your therapist with this image. So let me just see what else they offer me. I could do that one. Smiley face. Date and time, I think that's fine, but let me show you what some of the other options are. I like this one though because it looks like a calendar, but that that one works really well too. And then you've got your booking confirmation here, which I think is a fine icon. You could swap it out for that one there if you like. Totally up to you. You can change the colors. Again, it's limited. You can see here with the in custom colors, like you might want to use your brand colors, for example. You would need a pro account for that, but you've got some of these basic colors here. So you could certainly use like the hot pink if you wanted to. You can make them all the same color or not. Really, really easy to use, as you can see. And then all you would do is just hit the export button here when you're finished with it. Click download. It's going to download as an image, right? So I'm saving it as an image, but you could save it as SVG or you could save it as a PDF. I would just save it as an image. And then depending on what you wanted to use it for, you could then pop that image into Canva, tinker around with it, make some changes, do whatever you want, and then use it in the way that you really want to, right? So handy, and just thought that it might be helpful just to show you some simple things that you can use in your practice that don't cost you any money. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not part of my community yet, feel free to join. The link is in the show notes. It's called the Ultimate Private Practice. It's a free Facebook community. You can also come along to my free workshop that's happening on Monday, and it's all about how to create passive income in your private practice. You'll come along to the workshop and I'm going to make sure that you leave with your very first or your very next passive income stream set up. So it's quite hands-on, quite practical. Replays will be available. So if you happen to be watching this video after it's happened, no problem. I will include a link so that you can access the replay below. Okay, have a beautiful day, everyone. Thanks for being part of my world. Bye.